So today we are going to learn about nested if-else statement. We have already understood about if and else, a basic idea, okay? So today also we will get a basic idea about nested if and else condition. For example, checking multiple conditions with the help of if and else statements, okay? So very simple concept. Even if you don't understand now, you will understand it later. For now, just bear with me. Okay, now let me declare a variable named number. So I will initialize the value 1. This is a variable number 1. Okay. Now let me just add a condition. If number is double equal to 1, I just want to print this is number 1. Okay. Now the next, if the number is not 1, we will just print this is not a number 1. Not 1. Okay. You can see if the number is 1, it will print this statement, and if it is not number 1, it will print this statement. Very simple. Yesterday we have already implemented this code, implemented the same code. Okay, now let me just run the code. Very simple. This is number 1. For example, we want to check the condition for 2 also. That means, let me just add a code, you will understand it. Don't worry, I will explain it. Just wait for a minute. Okay, now let me just run this code. Okay, now it is printing as number 1. For what this code is actually doing is, it will initialize a number, and it will check 2 condition instead of 1. In last code, only this condition would be checked. That is, if number is double equal to 1, it would say number is equals to 1. It will just print this line. And if number is not equal to 1, it will just print this statement. Very simple code. Okay, but I want to check for multiple conditions. For example, I want to check for 2 as well. I want to check for 2 as well. If the number is 2, I want to do different task. I don't want to print this one, or I don't want to print else condition. For example, first and second position are important for me. I want to perform different tasks. Okay, so this is now. If I just change the number, assume I change the number to 2, what will, okay, now it is printing this is 2. Okay, why is it so? First, I have declared a variable of value 2. Now it will check this condition. Is number double equal to 2? No. Okay, now it will check this condition. If number double equal to 2, yes, it is equal. So it will print this one. Now what is the purpose of learning this? This else if condition is used if you want to nest multiple conditions, not only if and else. If you want to check for 3 as well, I will just copy this code. If you want to check for 3 as well, you can just replace the number and check for 3 as well. Okay, so very simple. So this is all about nested if and else condition. Nested if and else condition will be covered again in later on course. For now, this is just a base for you. So I will just summarize very easily. I have declared a variable. Simple if condition. If number is 1, just do this or execute this specifically. If number is equals to 2, do this. If number is equals to 3, do this. Or else, if number is not equal to this, just print this. This is the simple flow of this code. Okay, so where can we use this if else condition? For example, while login, if login successful, do this, execute first statement. If not, execute that statement. For very simple. So this is all about nested if and else statement. Hope you understand.